Hello, you're welcome. In this video, you're going to be learning how to download and install Filmora. Okay, so let me quickly run through you through what Filmora is. Filmora is one of the super amazing softwares for creating videos, okay, for creating and editing videos, okay. And I've previously used or tried every other video editing tool. I've tried Movavi, I've tried After Effects, I've even tried Premiere Pro, but I discover Filmora, it's quite more easy to use than every of those softwares that I mentioned, and of course the fast method guy. I love to use easy tools than using some technical tools. So, and that is why I'm going to be introducing you to Filmora, okay. And like I said, Filmora, it's a very amazing tool for creating videos. And to learn more about Filmora Wondershare or Filmora, just go to filmora.com filmora.wondershare.com, and this is their official website where you can learn more about the tools, the tool. Okay, now to download, there's actually download button here, but if you click on this download button, the only tool you'll be able to download is just the trial tool, okay, which I think is just can be used for I think 14 days to 1 month, okay. So that is the trial version of Filmora for you to try your hands on the tool, okay. Now, but if you want to download the full version and for free, I would suggest you go to any of these sites, ask for pc.net, and this is where I download my tools from, okay. This is where I download most of my free tools from. And also just search for Filmora. Okay, and as you can see, this is, let me quickly deactivate this ad blocker. Okay, now let's reload. So this is Filmora, and if you search for Filmora, you see all the versions of Filmora available in this video, okay. Now the version you should download is Filmora 10, also known as Filmora X, okay, and that is what I'm going to be giving you in this training. That is what I'm going to be teaching you this training. So download Filmora 10.1.0, okay. So if you click on it, it will take you to another page. Let me click again. There's so many advertisements on this page, okay. So, and it's still taking me to another page, okay. So once you click on that particular one, and this is it, don't click here. So just go down, scroll down, and you will find the file here. So you can use any of these three: media file, upload, media drive, to download the version of the Filmora, okay. And if you need help in how to download from this website, you can still click to watch this video. And also how to install, there's also a guideline on how to install Filmora 10, okay. And look at it, how to install. You click on install, Okay, and once you click on install, you automatically start using. Okay, and also part of what is also here is how to fix effects. You're still going to be learning about effect, how to add effect. So in case you try to add an effect and it's not showing on Filmora X, this is how to fix it. Okay, this is how to fix it. A simple step-by-step write up on how to fix effects. Okay, so this is how to download Filmora from this website. Like I told you, use any of these download links, either Mediafire, Upload, RAR, Media Drive, or Upload EV. So these are ways in which you can download from hacks for PC. Okay, now the second most amazing website that I download most of my resources from, for whether for video editing or for any other thing, is getintopc.com. Getintopc.com. And on this site you will find thousands or even millions of tools. Okay, so I'm going to click on Filmora. Okay, I'm going to click on Filmora. I'm in search for Filmora, and you can see there's a search button here. I mean, there's a search space here where it says search website. Just come here and type Filmora. So once you type Filmora, you'll see the recent version of it, which is Wondershare Filmora X. X is the same thing as 10. Okay, so click on the file that you want to download, then go down just like the other one. You can take your time to just read through it, or just scroll down. Then here too they have how to install this software. Now at this point, it is very important you follow this instruction that I'm just about to give you. Okay, and the reason for this is if you download from this site and you don't follow the instruction, the software that you download will not work, and removing it again from your laptop will bring you a headache. So it is very important you follow the instruction. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is you can click to open the click on how to install button, click or open in another tab. Okay, now the second step is download the video. Don't it's okay while you are installing you want to be watching the videos. This video is on YouTube. Okay, and it's saved somewhere, so download the video. And the reason why I said download this video is part of the instruction. You'll be asked to switch to off your internet. You'll be asked to off your what's it called, security antivirus. Okay, so if you don't download this video, there's no how you'll be able to watch the video once you already watched it off the internet. So, and the video is just around 10 to 14 MB, so it's not much. So please download the video first, then secondly, then download the software. Okay, download the software. Okay, and when you download the software, the password is 123. To open the software, if you click to open the software, it will ask you for the password. So the password is 123. And to download the software is easy. Just click on download and it will take you to another page. So from this page, you can now click on download, which it will begin downloading, or automatically it will start downloading. As you can see, it's already downloading, but I've downloaded this stuff before, so I don't need to do that. Okay, so now the third way to download the tool called Filmora is the link that is you'll find in the introduction to this course, or if you are a member of the community, you should find the link in the group. Okay, number 2 is you can check below this video for this link, okay, to get this software. Okay, so and I actually downloaded this from Ask for PC. Okay, so you can follow the instruction here to install. So I'm going to click to download, and to download from Google Drive. Like I said, I've sent you the link to Google Drive, but in case you can't find it, please just send me a message on WhatsApp using this phone number displayed on the screen. Okay, so I'm going to click on this. Then to download, you now right click. I just click on it, then just right click, and when you right click, these options will pop up. So you will now find the download option. Okay, so click on download option, and it will immediately begin to download. Okay, as you can see, it's already downloading the what's it called, Filmora Hex S.1.2. okay, and this may take some seconds or minutes depending on the speed of your internet. Okay, depending on the speed of your internet. So that is how to download Filmora X. Okay, how to download Filmora X. Okay, as you can see, I've just finished downloading. So let's open the file. Okay, let's open the file, and as you can see, it was gotten from get into PC. I mean, as for pc.com. Okay, now click on it. Okay, but before you start downloading, just click on Ask Me, okay, for instruction. Okay, as you can see, you see the instruction how to install this software is also here. So click, they said the step 1 is install Filmora 10.1.0. then don't run Filmora. They said don't run Filmora, exit from taskbar if running. Now copy all the files from solutions folder and open paste here. You understand? They say you should copy all the file and paste here. And to get this where they say you should paste this file, just copy this thing and you can paste it here. Let's see if we can find it here. Okay, it's not here. So what you just do is the step 1 is install, and this is what you should install. Okay, this is what you should install. Okay, so after installing, then you go to step 2, which is to copy. They say you should not run, don't run, exit from taskbar. That's after you've installed Filmora, you should exit from taskbar. Number 3 is copy all the files from solutions. So you copy all the files from solutions. Okay, and so all these files, you copy everything. Okay, you copy everything. Then you may need to extract first before you copy. That is, extract the whole folder before you copy. And let me quickly show you how to extract folders. You go to, once you finish downloading, you click on this draw icon, then show in folder. So it will open where it is saved. So you now click on it, right click on it, then extract file to Filmora X.1.0. So I'm going to click on extract files to Filmora, what's it called? And after extracting, I'm going to click to open. Then this is where I'm now going to follow the instruction. Number one is this is the one you're going to install, not Effect Fixer. I told you about Effects Fixer, it's already included here. So just click on this, then you now click to install this. Please take note, at this point you don't need to form an expert, just follow the instruction, okay? And once you follow the instruction well, you'll be able to install Filmora. And the reason why I may not be able to install this software now is because it's the same software I'm using to record this video. So just click like you click to install this, and this is it. You just right click and you click on run administration. Okay, so after running as administrator, you now come here to solutions. Look at the solution folder, you copy all. Okay, copy, and now go to your PC. Okay, go to PC, look for open this. Okay, open your PC, this PC, open it, then look for programs files 86. Okay, then when you find it, look for Filmora Wondershare. Okay, look for Wondershare Filmora. Is it file 86? Let's check the instruction again. Okay, programs files, just program files, not 86. Okay, program files. So this is the first one. Then look for the folder Wondershare. Okay, look at it. So when you found it, open the folder. Okay, and what's the instruction again? Wondershare Filmora. Okay, so let's look for Wonder. Okay, just paste here. Okay, we've opened the folder. Look at it. When you click on the files, find this, then click on Wondershare. And when you click on Wondershare, click on Wondershare Filmora, then paste everything that you've copied in from the solution here. And once you paste it, you can now start your Filmora by just clicking on the icon or search for it here, Filmora. Okay, and when you search for it, double click on it, and you are done installing, and your Filmora should now appear to be working like this. Okay, should come up like this without asking for key. Okay, without asking for key. Okay, so that is it. As you can see, this is working perfectly. So let's end this video here, and in the next video we're going to be looking at the Filmora interface. So thank you once again, and see you in the next video. Now if you have any question, please you know how to contact me, or just use the number displayed on this video to ask me a question. Thank you.